Time to eat. I think it's nap time around the village. I'm just gonna take a look around and see what it looks like. Even the dogs are napping. Oh, not anymore. I woke them up. So many fruits in this tree. Sapo. This is called sapo. Like this? Gang. Okay. Okay, ly hai.
Bye
bye. Oh, kun. Hello. Hello. They're preparing the fishing nets. Chim rip so.
Hello, bên xuống.
No, it's okay. I'm good.
Hello, bên xuống.
Tick tick.
Hello, nem xuống tui này. Shoot, my name
Sit. Sit. My name Justin.
My name said the name.
Justin. Justin.
Yes, son. Mày ngon đi, cô nhớ ngon mặn ấy, cô hả? Cô nó ngon lắm, ngon mặn, quả
Okay.
cho bên sùng ngon ngon.
Ly hai.
Bên sùng nó ngon rồi.
I thought everybody would be napping because it's Sunday afternoon. It's really hot out here, and it felt really quiet from where I was. But it seems like people stay busy and work and have fun. Hello.
Hello. Tên là Tay. Tên là hello hả?
Hello. Hello.
Đặt thật phê.
So sau đây.
Hai thằng con. Cầm ráng cắn con. Con này cho bố.
So sau đây.
Đây thật là bên kia mà lên tay giọt viên vậy.
Hello.
Bạn tay lên thật là lên kia bạn.
Hello. Hello. So sau đây. Hello. Oh, people seem to be playing over here. All right, let's keep looking around. What is he doing? You're just walking. Get the go. This is a huge stack of crab traps. Koh Sdach.
Vâng.
Cô ăn nó luôn hả? Ơi.
Look at this view. So nice, so colorful. Hello. Hello. Okay. It's showing me. And then they barbecue, and then they eat it. Hmm? Fish? Yeah. Oh, you have fish here? Oh, wow. Look at this. It's crazy. They look a little bit like sharks. I don't know what they are. Really nice fishes. I have no idea what they are. I'm gonna ask my my friend's cousin because he's a fisherman. If I show him the footage, he's probably gonna be able to tell me what kind of fish it is. They're really nice though. He just dropped some small fishes to show me what it looks like when they eat, but I think they're full. They just left the dead fish fall to the bottom. They already ate too much. It's so beautiful here.
Yo.
Hmm? Oh, they have a freezer full of calamari. Wow. Wow. Saat. Oh, good. The sun is really hitting hard today, so I had to go back to get a hat and at least a tank top. Because I felt it like hit my skin so directly. Hello. Apparently on this island there are no cars. You'll find mostly bicycles and sometimes a few scooters like this one. But mostly bicycles and people walking. There are only two four-wheeled vehicles, and they're like small trucks in charge of delivering ice. You might hear some engine running right now in the back, and there's like kind of a small ice factory on the island providing everybody with ice, because most people don't have fridges or freezers. They have like big ice coolers. That's the way they keep their food and everything fresh. So this company makes big pieces of ice that they sell around the island. And this seems like there might be a pagoda up there. Let's take a look. Really looks like the entrance of a
temple.
Oh, I almost didn't see him. Walk right next to him. Hey buddy, grass is good today? seem to be closed today. I don't know why, but can't go inside. The sun is a little lower now, so I think it's the perfect time to hit the beach again. Yeah. It's so nice around here. So peaceful. Wow. Can you feel the sea breeze? Because I feel it. Yeah, just I will go around. Maybe later I can drink, but now I just want to go around and see the village a little bit. Okay? Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's my last night on this island, so I thought I'd go around the village. I hear some music over there. I think a party is still happening tonight, and some new friends here. They're trying to make me drink and eat more. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna go around. Wait. Okay. So I'm just gonna go around and see what happens, and maybe take one last look at this beautiful island before I leave really early tomorrow morning. Okay? Yeah. All right. Let's go. Well, it seems like the only thing you can find at night, tonight anyway, it's either drunk people or dogs. I heard some music earlier tonight and I thought there was the same kind of party going on as last night. Hello. But it seems like, well, maybe I waited too long, but it seems like most of it is done with. Seems like people are actually going back home. But the ice factory is still running. I think it runs all night. And you see those two little trucks I was talking about, this one and this one. They're the only four-wheel vehicles on the whole island. Really a strange place. It's really noisy, while the whole island seems to be asleep or really quiet. When you come around here, it's like buzzing sounds of machines. It's really strange on such a small, such a tiny island. There's not much going on, so I guess I'm just gonna go back and go to bed. I have to get up super early tomorrow morning anyway, so